Hello YouTube. This time I've brought you an automation that will mainly revolve around databases. Now I know that is a very basic thing to do, however, this channel does not have it yet, so why not today? So today I will mainly be using Google Forms as the source of input, and whenever a user submits a form, the data inside of it will move over to our Google Sheets as well as Supabase. And the way that I have implemented it, especially Google Sheets, there is a direct way of doing it. However, I just wanted to showcase it working inside of Zapier instead of the direct way. So that's why I decided to use the Google Sheets API. This automation also sends out an automatic email as soon as a user submits the form. As always, first I will run the automation with you guys and see the output, and then we will go ahead and look at what is going on under the hood. Now, moving over to our workflow, as you can see, I will mainly be leveraging Zapier over here, and that is mainly a personal preference because the Google Forms module isn't automatically available in Anytime, and you have to actually indirectly do it, which is a little bit tedious, and this is a little bit straightforward, so why not? And the same is applied to Supabase, and that's mainly why half of it is divided in Anytime and the other in Zapier, because you cannot find Supabase over here directly. So yeah, this is, let's just go and look at the automation first, and then we will come back to this a little bit later. Before that, let me just show you, this is empty. I cleared it all out, and this is empty as well. So yeah, and keep a, as you can see, there are 14 responses so far because I did test this out a few times before this just to make sure everything is working fine. So let me just quickly fill out this form, and let's just put this here because this is obviously true and we do not put fake information in our forms. Anyways, as you can see, this did jump up a number. So if we now look back over here and wait a few seconds, this should generate the data. It does take a few seconds to update, so let's just wait for it. And as you can see, it has done that. And if we go over to our Supabase, this should also generate data. There you go. Now that mainly leaves just one thing, which is our mail. And as you can see, it has generated the mail. You can see the timing over here. So if we go over here, as you can see, successfully, thank you. So that's that. Now looking under the hood, as you can see, this module grabs the data from forms and sends it to our Google Sheets, and then it sends us a mail basically informing us that we have successfully received, or perhaps we have successfully submitted the form and the form owner has successfully received it. So it then sends it to the webhook N8N, which grabs it, and then it fills it in the Supabase database. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this automation. Now that is pretty much it for today's video. I will be releasing more videos like these in the future, so I hope you all are looking forward to them, even though right now no one is actually watching these.